Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitBuy. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn off location services on Mac. So if you don't want your Mac or installed app to use your location, you can disable location services at any time. Turning it off help increase privacy because apps will no longer be able to determine your location. Keep in mind that certain features such as map navigation, local weather information and find my location updates may stop working properly until you enable this feature again. But still, for some reason, if you want to disable this, then first click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and go to privacy and security. Now here click on location services and finally disable the toggle right to location services. After that, you may need to verify yourself by entering your passcode, or you can also enable if your Mac has Touch ID, and then a confirmation pop-up will appear. Here click on turn off. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.